How to log into Outlook in Chrome. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily log into your Outlook account using the Google Chrome browser. First thing first, go to your Chrome browser and then simply search for Outlook login and hit enter. You'll find the login option right here on top. Just click on it and you'll be taken to the official website for Microsoft 365. Now, in order to log in, you have the sign in option at the top right corner. Just click on it, and then you'll be taken to another tab where you have an option to log into your account. So if you have already logged in before, you will see your Outlook account here, but if you haven't, you can just enter your Outlook email and then click on next. After doing so, you're going to have to enter your password. And once you have entered your password, just click on next. And if you want other ways to sign in, you can click right here and send a code to your email, use face your fingerprint, or use your password. And in case you've forgotten your password, you can click right here to reset your password. They will send you a security code on this. I'm not going to do that right now because I know my password, so I'm just going to click on next and log in. And if you want to stay signed in on this device, you are going to have to skip sign in every time unless you clear its data. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to press no. And now you've successfully logged into your Outlook account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.